Students, today we are going to discuss about the third section of this unit, nitrogen containing organic compounds. This section is nominated by diazonium salts. Here we studied a compound named benzene diazonium chloride. Its molecular formula is C6H5N2Cl. So first we discussed about for diazonium salts, then we goes on their examples. Diazonium salts. The molecular formula of diazonium salts is ArN2X. For example, here we take aryl group like as a phenyl, then C6H5N2, and from halogen we add chlorine, Cl. This one is known as benzene diazonium chloride. Now the structural formula of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene ring, and in normal position N2Cl. Also it is represented by their bond structure. Alternative form of double bonds, and in normal position N triple bond NCl. This one is the structure of benzene diazonium chloride. So students, first we discussed about what are diazonium salt and how can we make diazonium salts. Then we goes on the preparation method of benzene diazonium chloride with their chemical reaction and with the help of diagram. For the formation of diazonium salts, we says that if a aromatic amine react with hydrochloric acid and sodium nitrite NaNO2 at cold atmosphere near about 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature, it is very low temperature, and also we says that it is in a frozen solution or ice frozen solution. It react with one another to form diazonium salts. So first we take the reaction of sodium nitrite with HCl. Here the formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. It react with NaNO2 at cold atmosphere. This one is subtracted a salt with NaCl, sodium chloride, and form HNO2. Students, you know that the HNO2 form of nitrous acid. It is known as nitrous acid and subtracted sodium chloride, NaCl. But the version of HNO3 is known as nitric acid. So here we produce nitrous acid from HCl and NaNO2. Then it reacts with aromatic amine. So you know that the aromatic amine formula is represented by ArNH2. We take this reaction for the formation of diazonium salt. So HCl for acidic medium and NaNO2 for the preparation of nitrous acid. At cold bath, we say that near about 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius temperature on cold. It makes diazonium salt, Ar(N2Cl), because here Cl is available. So N2 plus NCl minus, and subtracted sodium chloride with water plus NaCl and water molecule H2. For balancing of chlorine atom, we add 2. So this reaction proves that from aromatic amine we produced diazonium salts. So students, what is the mechanism concept of this reaction? So we say that here N2X group also says that diazonium group subtracted amine single bond NH2 group. Then this phenomenon is known as diazonium chloride formation, and reaction is known as diassociation. Now we goes on the example of diazonium salt and take their formation methods. So we started a compound named benzene diazonium chloride. So the molecular formula of benzene diazonium chloride is C6H5N2Cl, and the structural formula of benzene diazonium chloride is C6H5N2Cl. It is also represented by the bond structure, alternative form of double bonds, and nitrogen is with triple bond and chlorine is with single bond. This one, the structure of benzene diazonium chloride. How can we extract it or produce it? So formation method of benzene diazonium chloride. We may guide a previous reaction concept. Hydrochloric acid HCl react with sodium nitride NaNO2 at cold. It subtracted sodium chloride and produced nitrous acid HNO2 and plus NaCl. This acid is known as nitrous acid. Then another step, aromatic amine C6H5NH2. It is also known as aniline, because in previous section, in previous class, we studied their chemical reactions. So aniline is the aromatic compound of amines. It reacts with nitrous acid in base of HCl. So HCl plus HNO2, very low temperature. It gives and temperature created 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius. It gives benzene diazonium salts. The formula of benzene diazonium salt C6H5 and 2Cl and subtracted water molecule H2. So this is the preparation method of benzene diazonium salt. Here we take a reaction in a one step and we goes on their structural formula. If we take this reaction in a single step, then C6H5 NH2 react with hydrochloric acid HCl and NaNO2 sodium nitrate at cold weather near about 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. It gives benzene diazonium chloride C6H5 and 2Cl and subtracted sodium chloride NaCl with water molecule H2O. This is the single step reaction for the preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. Now we take their structural formula. The structural formula of aniline is C6H5NH2. It reacts with HCl and sodium nitrite NaNO2 at 0 degrees Celsius temperature to 5 degrees Celsius temperature to form diazonium salt. N triple bond NCl and subtracted NaCl with water H2. So here both reactions are the concept of diazonium chloride and example of benzene diazonium chloride. Students, according to the concept of this formation reaction, we say that removal of NH2 group or amine group by N2X group. This group is known as diazonium and this one is known as amine. So the subtraction of amine from diazonium salts are known as diassociation. Then this reaction is known as diassociation. Diassociation. So especially this reaction is the best example of diassociation reaction. Students, also we make this reaction in a salt outlet. So we take this reaction as a conversion style. The formula of benzene diazonium chloride is phenyl ring and N2Cl, and the formula of aniline is C6H5NH2. It reacts with the presence of HCl and sodium nitrate NaNO2 and subtracted water molecule H2O and NaCl at very low temperature 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Also this one is known as we take a frozen solution of NaCl, NaNO2 and HCl. Ice frozen solution. It gives benzene diazonium chloride N2Cl. This is the salt reaction for the formation of benzene diazonium chloride. Its molecular form is given as aniline the presence of HCl and NaNO2, because it forms nitrous acid, it reducts water molecule and NaCl to form C6H5N2C. So these are the all categories of reaction who prove that the formation of benzene diazonium salts. Students, in another class we discussed about the resonating structures of benzene diazonium chloride. Then we goes on their chemical and physical properties with the help of chemical reaction and their uses.